Wish you could just tell your computer what you want and bam, it builds it for you. Well, guess what? We're pretty much there. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you something called vibe coding. And before you roll your eyes, hear me out. This isn't some fancy buzzword. It's literally coding that just flows. You know that feeling when everything clicks, when you're in the zone and ideas turn into working code without the usual headaches? That's called vibe coding. Here's what's crazy. AI tools have gotten so good that you can basically have a conversation with them and walk away with a real app. No more staring at blank screens wondering where to start, no more getting stuck on syntax, just steal your ideas and tools that actually get it. Today I'm testing 3 AI coding tools that everyone's talking about. At first we have Bolt. Now this thing is insanely fast. You describe what you want and it builds it while you watch it. Then we have Lovable, which is perfect if you care about making things look good. It's like having a designer and developer rolled into one. Then we have Pythagora. The coolest part is you just chat with it like you're explaining your idea to a friend and it builds complex app. I'm going to show you how exactly each one works, the good stuff and not the good stuff, real demos, real code, and at the end, we are doing a showdown. Which tool actually delivers on this whole vibe coding promise. So let's find it out. So let's start with the first AI tool for vibe coding, which is Pythagora. So from here, you can ask Pythagora to build anything. For example, it's mentioned here that ask Pythagora to build a CRM app. So we will ask the same, build a simple interactive CRM app. And I'll just hit enter from here. You have to choose any of your account you're using. So as you can see, it's setting up your Pythagora workspace. So as you can see, our workspace is being created. And now from here, you can just simply describe. So as you can see from here, I've given a prompt to create a simple customer relationship management app. The goal is to keep the track of customer information, manage relationship communication, and help with the sales and support. And here's what I have in mind. I've given the app features, how I want it to be, the task management, notes section, simple dashboard, communication logos. I've also given the UI UX design element. Now before this, you can just fill out this essential questions asked. So I'm using it for some other purpose. How big is your company? You can just mention anything. And then after I've given the prompt, I'll just hit continue. We'll wait for a few seconds. So now as you can see, it is giving us to write some specification. So this is the overview of the specifications which I have mentioned. So the Pythagora is now generating a detailed specification for app based on your input. So it's basically creating a documentation of the overview which we had given. So it's given that write specifications. Are you satisfied with the project description? So I'll just hit on yes. So it's building all the components and the APIs. It takes a bit of time. So now as you can see that our app is ready and I'll show you the preview of our app. So we'll open this in our browser. So you can see from here, you can just enter your email and then you can enter your password. Now if you don't have an account, you can just sign up and then you can create your account. So as you can see, this is a dashboard that Pythagora has created for us. I mean, just look at it. This is just awesome. Look at the features it has added and can you believe this AI has made it completely. This is the number of customers, the active leads we have, the upcoming tasks. I mean, the quality is just so premium and that you get it in free version without even spending any bucks. And I'm pretty impressed by this. I would rate it 10 out of 10. This is absolutely best. Now let's move on to a second AI tool on our list, which is Bolt. So from here, you can just click on the first link. So here in Bolt, you can just share your ideas. So I've mentioned that build a simple e-commerce website with good UI, UX. And then I've mentioned more app features in the shopping cart I want to be added. And I'll just hit on enter. So you can just sign in with your Google account. So now from here, you can just give the prompt I've already given. So we'll wait for a few minutes till our preview will appear here. So it's first creating the overview of a prompt which I've given. And now you can see it's installing the dependencies from here. And now it's written that I've created a comprehensive production-ready e-commerce website with beautiful design and excellent user experience. The application features a modern, clean interface with sophisticated color schemes, smooth animations, and intuitive navigations. So we'll just have a look at once we are done with creating this. It takes a bit of time, but yeah, I think it's ready now. So we can just open in a separate tab. So now from here you can see that our e-commerce website is ready, and yes, this also looks amazing. The name is given Shop Hub, and this is the new collection here, and these are the products, and you can just see to this hover animation that it has given to us, and this also looks really premium. Just look at this. And this is the drop down list where we have all the quick links, customer service, and the contact as well. I'm pretty impressed by this bold new because it has created such an amazing website, and the minimalism and the sophisticated look that it has given to my website, it's really, really good. The color layout also, it's blue, white, and it has kept very minimalistic. So for this also I would rate it maybe 9 out of 10 or maybe 10 out of 10 because both of them are really good. Just look at this Pythagora, and here we have the Bolt New. Both are amazing. I mean, I can't actually compare both, but then again, let's check out the third AI tool on our list. We have Lovable AI. So we'll be checking out this AI tool and how we can just create amazing applications within seconds. So I'll ask this AI to create an amazing weather app with features and good UI UX design. So let's hit enter. Okay, you can just log in with your account. So now we'll just wait for a few seconds till our application is being built. So now as you can see, it's working on the progress, and I must say the interface of this AI looks pretty good. You can also upload images as reference and you can preview your changes as well. So now it's basically working. So from here you can see that it's working on the index. This is the code which you can see from here. So now you can see that our app is ready, and we'll just preview it. And again, just look at the features it has added. This also looks really good. This is the weather application named Weatherly, and here you can just search your city. You can just enter your city name. Let's suppose it's Bangalore, and it will give you the weather updated report. So you can see from here, no, it's UK. Just enter. So I don't know why is it giving UK, but then yeah, the weather information is actually correct. You also have the weather details, the humidity, wind speed, visibility, plus you get the 7-day forecast today, tomorrow, and this is again amazing. And I would rate this maybe, this is also good, so I'll rate this 9 out of 10. So as to compare all the 3 AI tools which we created our applications. So the first one we had is the CRM application, CRM Pro, using Pythagora. So here is our application. The second one we built using Bolt, an e-commerce website named as Shop Hub. So you can have a look at this. And the third one we created a weather app using Lovable. And here you have this. Now let me know in the comment section which one you actually like the most. For me personally, I think I would go for Bolt, number 1. Second, I would rate this Pythagora, and third, I would rate this Lovable. Now let me know which one you liked the most. Now also just a quick information guys, if you're interested in mastering the future of technology, then the professional certificate course in generative AI and machine learning is the perfect opportunity for you. Offered in collaboration with the ENICT Academy, IT Kanpur, this 11-month live and interactive program will provide you hands-on expertise in cutting-edge areas like generative AI, machine learning, and tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and Hugging Face. You'll gain practical experience through 15+ projects, integrated labs, and live master masterclasses delivered by esteemed IIT Kanpur faculty. Alongside, you'll earn a prestigious certificate from IIT Kanpur and you'll receive official Microsoft badges for Azure AI courses and career support through Simplilearn's Job Assist program. So guys, hurry up and enroll now, and you can find the course link in the description box below and in the pinned comments. So guys, that's a wrap up on this video. If you found this video helpful, do hit the notification bell and subscribe for more such content by Simplilearn. Thank you and keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.